it up.
Just don't fart.
No. You know me, I always have one primed. Primed and ready.
Alright, so we are actually installing the shore power today on the exterior of the van. We use our handy dandy little tool to mark our little spot. So just right here you can see our tiny little indention that we've made with our, what is this tool anyway? I don't know, but it's Husky. So we've made our little indention here so we can see our mark on the interior, and then we're going to cut our little hook hole. It's not gonna, because you already made one.
Go ahead.
Alright, so we've made our little dimple here.
Alright, here we go.
I mean, I can see the indentations happening like around parts of it.
Well, I'm bending the whole thing in, so that's the unfortunate part.
Should we cut it a different way?
I don't know how we would cut it a different way.
With the other little cutty tool thing?
Look at the...
Yeah, you're like sawing down the blade to nothing.
May not have the right tool here, folks. Bulldozer. Everything you need?
Nope. Let's go, Daisy.
Come on. Good Lord. Can you? This thing's getting eat up too.
Yeah, you can see it like right here. It's kind of like partially cut through. And it's starting to kind of come through up in here too. I mean, it is from this one side. It's probably gonna kill me. Yeah, probably. He's probably gonna kill me. Oh. See, I need a hammer.
Hey.
Hey.
Don't nick the paint.
I'm not nicking the paint.
That's what you just did.
I didn't do that. Find me a hammer.
Stop it. Go in.
I am going in.
Push the whole thing in.
I'm trying to do that, but it's not working.
That's not gonna work.
You just gotta go around, get a hammer.
No, we just need to keep eating at it.
Yeah?
I'm just bending this thing all up. I mean, it's within a hair of
I know.
going off. Look at this. It's just a little thin little bit. Your little hammer is not gonna do anything.
Yeah, but it's gonna help.
Well, you definitely don't want to tap from the inside out.
Go outside in?
No, that's the inside. You're on the outside.
You want to go outside, inside out?
No, I'm saying definitely not do that. If you do that...
So don't go from this side, go from the other side.
No, that's the inside out.
So we're going to go outside in, yes? Ooh. Stanky.
Thank you. Ah, Brad.
Damn it, Brad. Here. Let me see it.
Kind of pull towards you, not... No. Just up and down, maybe?
No. That's not gonna work up and down.
Oh!
Like a can.
Rip her like a can. Try not to bend that edge out. Probably need to hit that corner with the... You're starting to bend this side out. Let's not do that.
Let me see. Can you see her?
No. Okay, stop there. I have a pair of tin snips.
Hold on.
Wiggle. Wiggle.
Like a Coke can. Wiggle it loose. Whatever letter it stops on, that's the name of the man you're gonna marry.
Oh, really?
That's the game.
Is it?
I did it.
Got a hole. That
It really is like the size
was
of
the most difficult thing.
Probably shouldn't do that.
You got to find a better way to do that. You guys let us know in the description.
Somebody has a better way.
There's got to be a better way. Alright, so we got the hole cut over there. Now we're just going to wire our box up. So on the back you can already see it has our instructions, ground, white, black. So this is the other part that comes with it. We're just going to try to give ourselves a little bit to play with here. Hello, Daisy. What you doing? You come up here. The heater's on. Please. Find something to chew on. So, do our ground first. Nothing's hooked up, so it doesn't really matter the direction. So you do need to loosen these up first. Tighten that back down. Hopefully you can see what I'm doing here. Can you see what I'm doing, David? You can? I mean, this makes it pretty impossible to do anything. I guess somebody needed a break. White and then black. Later. Alright. We're all wired up. Now we just gotta put it in the hole. Alright. Insert here.
This rigid piece of piping. Okay. And okay. Yeah. Hold it, hold it. There we go. Okay. Ta-da!
Hey, coming at ya. Pull the whole thing through.
Uh-huh. Okay, we're in. Ha. Okay. So just fit this little loop. Except all the tight.
I'm sure we'll come back here 100 times and we'll be like,
Or just flap all the way out.
you gone. Oh, it shouldn't leak. We'll tape on it.
It's a very nice head you have.
Thank you. Just want to make sure everybody on YouTube saw how nice of a hat I had today. My fingers are numb.
I bet they get up there and help. I'll go up on my best.
Yeah, you get it. You got it? I'll get that one. Girlfriend, you need to wash those toes.
Stay. Did you like that? Was that fun? Daisy said she'd like to help more often.
Could make a fun segment.
Daisy does vans. A full episode dedicated just to Daisy working on the van.
You can buy her little overalls. You have a little work satchel.
I could put a little tool belt on.
Alright, babe.
We're done.
Totally with that.
I didn't get it.
You stupid.
Daisy, good job today.
Yeah.
Good job. You did a good job.